Welcome along to my train channel and to the latest unboxing. And in this episode, I have a surprise bonus unboxing. Okay, not going to tell you what it is. I'm not even going to tell you what this one is because, to be quite honest with you, I have absolutely no idea. Right, let's get into this one. What have we got? We've got, oh my God, what a bonus unboxing. What a bonus unboxing. It's cat food. We got cat food. I'll give that to the dog. There, he'll go and play with the thing. Right, we've got cat food. Oh my goodness. Oh, actually, I think it could be something else, so that's quite disappointing. Let's see if we can open it. With the magic knife of opening. Here we go. Oh, we've got paper. We've got, oh, this is it. I know what it is now. I know what it is. It was 4 carriages. Oh my goodness, they're all in boxes as well. Or is it 3? No, 4 carriages. So we got 4 carriages. Sorry, like freight trucks. And I'll be honest, a couple of them, it said they were beaten up, they weren't so good, like that one. And that's fine. I've actually got some of those. I'm not fussed about that one. There's a reason I got it. This one is a little bit more, I think, toy-y. It's just a plasticky thing. Not interested in that one. But bear in mind, this was only a couple of quid for all this lot. This one is a Prestwin twin silo. And again, yeah, very nice. It's okay. It's all right. I'm not fussed. Again, this wasn't what I was after. It was this one. Because when I saw it, I thought, oh my God, I've got to get this. And it's a real, let's not say can't see, a real mail. Now, basically, it is, and it looks in great condition. Oh, that's just come off, but that's no problem. We can soon put that back on. Looks in pretty good condition. A rail mail from 1981, which is, it was done for the royal wedding in 1981, which was obviously Prince Charles and Lady Diana Spencer. So, yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Looks like I could do with a little bit of cleaning, which we'll do very gently. Just to clean it up, but yeah, but it looks in great condition, and it was a couple of quid. That's all I paid for all of it, and then a couple of quid postage. But it was that I'm after, because I think it looks so cool, and I want sort of different things. So yeah, so that's it. That's it, and it's even got in a little box. I'm not sure actually. I think the people who have sent it have actually just put a picture of it on the box, which is great. It's great. Anyway, the main thing is, this is a good find. So let's go on to the bonus. The bonus is not something I've got off eBay. Yesterday, I went to Barrow Hill in Staveley, near Chesterfield, to the Roundhouse, which is I think it's the oldest working turntable there, and it was fantastic. It was absolutely fantastic. Loads of trains, loads of things, and of course it's now at home to the Deltic Preservation Society. Fantastic place. And I did buy myself this, which it wasn't cheap. It was £11.95, but I thought, since I've been, I've got to go. Oh, and look, it's actually got coal in it. So it's got coal in the Barrow Hill, and yeah, it's a brand new Dapple coach with Barrow Hill on, and I just thought I had to have it. So there we go, an unboxing of, nearly put it through the thing, an unboxing of my Barrow Hill as well. Right, thank you for watching this latest unboxing, and please come back, check again. There'll be more unboxings. Thanks a lot.